Hey everyone, this is Clements and this video is about how to properly use the memory card reader and its wide uses. First, this is a memory card reader. Basically, it's used for file transfer like mobile to memory card or memory card to mobile, then memory card to PC or laptop or PC to memory card, and it can be also used as a replacement for pen drives. And then this card reader supports different types of memory cards like SD card, micro SD, SDXC, SDHC, mini SDHC, generally all the types of memory card, but you have to choose the correct one for your purpose. Okay, let's see how to do this. First, we are going to copy the files from the mobile to this memory card and then transfer the files to this laptop. First, insert the memory card on the correct slot. This is a micro SD card and it's a micro SD card slot, so I insert here like this. Now we need a OTG. If your mobile charging connector micro USB connector means you need a micro USB OTG. If Type-C means you need a Type-C OTG, and for iPhone we need a Lightning OTG. In my case I need a Type-C OTG, so I chose this. Then insert like this. Then connect this on your mobile. On your notification panel, you can see this. It indicates something is connected with your mobile. Now go to the settings, storage. Yeah, you can clearly see the external device here. Then go to file manager. Open the internal storage. Then select the files you want to transfer. Copy that. Open USB device. Then paste it here. After successfully completes, go to settings, storage, then click eject. Now remove the card reader. Disconnect this and connect the card reader on your PC. Then go to File Explorer, this PC. Here you can see the micro SD card. Open that. This is the folder. Here you can see the files. Now I am going to cut this folder. And I want to save the file on D disk. Open that and paste it here. After successfully transfer, click here and then right click here, then eject this. Then remove the card reader from the PC. That's it. You successfully transferred the file from mobile to your PC using card reader. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps means subscribe and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks.